Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, giving you some information of what to buy, where to buy, what apps to use, and also giving a brief explanation of what's been going on this year, 2025, with the crypto market. Now, apart from plunging a lot of money into property investment, I do like to invest my money into cryptocurrency as well. It's just a way of diversifying my investment portfolio along with what I do on a day-to-day basis as well. I don't like to put all my eggs in one basket, so a good way is to invest it in the cryptocurrency, which I've been doing for quite some time now. Now, I don't overcomplicate what I do. I know a lot of people like to trade, they like to buy, sell, and mess around. Now, if this was my full-time job, it would definitely be something I would be willing to do, but I do not have the time to watch the trends of the market on a day-to-day basis, buy and sell. I mean, along with the fees that do get charged when you purchase cryptocurrency and when you sell cryptocurrency, I personally don't think it's worth it. But if you're going to do it, if you've got some spare money, whether it might be £10, £50, 100, 1,000, 5,000, I would recommend that you put it into cryptocurrency and just leave it there. Now, the best cryptocurrency from my experience is, of course, the king of crypto, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, in my opinion, one of the most stable cryptocurrencies to invest in, along with Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Solana. These are the four coins that I have a substantial amount of money in, and they have grown um, uh, quite heavily in the years that I've kept them. Don't get me wrong, just like any sort of investment, it's always at risk. And although these coins for me have gone up, they've also drastically dropped too. But as I don't do any sort of trading, I'm happy just to leave it there and watch it grow slowly, which it has done. Now, going into each coin in a little bit more detail, Bitcoin is the most widely established and widely known cryptocurrency in the market. Um, I'd say it's the digital gold of the cryptocurrency, and there is only a limited supply of 21 million coins, which is why the price of it is so high. Although it does drop over the years, if you look at the trend, it has increased significantly over time. Now, second on my list is Ethereum. Um, I do have Bitcoin as the most money I've put into, and Ethereum being the second because it is quite important for the crypto market. It powers decentralized apps such as NFTs and DAOs. It did transition into Ethereum 2.0, making it more energy efficient and is highly adopted by developers and institutions. So Ethereum is also a very good purchase, and it's also been for me very stable, and it's slowly increased in the few years that I've had it. So that's the second coin that I would invest some money into, which I use with Binance app, something that I'll explain a little bit later. But essentially, it's also a ecosystem for trading, fee discounts, and payments. Um, it is the biggest crypto exchange globally, so it's something else that's quite stable for me, and I have the reason why I've invested in that. And the fourth one is Solana. This is like a faster alternative to Ethereum. It has high speed blockchain with low fees. Again, something that I have a small portion of my crypto assets. And the fourth one is Solana. This is basically a fast Ethereum alternative. It has high speed blockchain with low fees. Again, something else I have in my crypto assets. Funny enough, I forgot to mention Litecoin. Litecoin is something that I've been holding for a while now. It was probably one of my first purchases actually. I originally bought it because of the price. It was is a lot cheaper than Bitcoin, and it does fluctuate with Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin increases, so does that, and when it decreases, so does Litecoin. I did find it as a much cheaper alternative to invest in, so that becomes and that is quite attractive if you're just coming onto the crypto market. I haven't explained a bit about the coins that I would invest in. Just by way of an update, in 2025 now, Bitcoin has dropped around 20%, Ethereum dropping around 7%, and Solana. Now, having talked about some of the coins that I've invested in, 2025 is and has been a difficult year so far for the crypto market. Bitcoin has dropped from its peak of around £100,000 to around 80, which is a 20% decline. Ethereum has also dropped by around 8%, trading at about 1,800, and Solana also has dropped significantly, around 41%, from its all-time high, which was around £240. Now, a lot of people would be panicking, saying, "Oh, it's dropping a lot. It's risky." But the way I see it, I'm seeing a discount, so I will probably purchase some more cryptocurrency, because at the peak of January, when the price was quite high, I was saying to myself, I wish I bought more. Well, now, it's time to buy some more before it goes back up. Now, I would give you 10 different options where you can buy cryptocurrency from, but I'm going to give you the two that I use. The first is Coinbase. Coinbase is very easy to use, it's very popular. I find the fees reasonable. The app is very easy to use. It's my first. You fucking dickhead. No, I'm not going to name you 10 different places to buy crypto from. I'm going to give you the two that I used. One is Coinbase. I found that very easy to use. The fees were reasonable. The app is very good, and it's very popular in the crypto market. The second is Binance. Again, another popular company to use for buying cryptocurrency. Reasonable fees, and both are fairly secure. And my last bit of advice I give to you is make sure you diversify. Don't put everything into one coin. I've already named you around 4 or 5 coins that you can put your money into, but make sure you do your research to see what works for you, and do stay updated. Crypto evolves very fast, so get on the internet and see what's going on in the market and keep an eye on the trends. But if you'd like to know more, do subscribe, and thank you for listening.